Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got myself in this situation. Well, if you care to find out, let's start this video from the beginning. No. The beginning. That's better.
See how we are standing in the sun. And people will not show their faces when we are premiering.
So this was simply a shoot that we had to do in just a day. Okay, so we got there in the afternoon. As we got ourselves together, put everything together, the camera, the set, the actors were getting made up, and they had their lines to go through. I was there taking some shots of the environment to establish the scene.
Yeah, what's up? So we're on set. We've just been moving around. We don't even know where we are going to actually shoot this. We are on setting. Makasi is having the eye to determine where we are going to. So we're just following his lead.
Yeah.
I used just a few equipment in my arsenal of gear. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, a Sigma Art 18-35mm 1.8 lens, a Manfrotto tripod, and a GH5 with a set of cine lenses for the behind the scenes with a Rode shotgun mic mounted on the behind the scenes camera. This was a very micro crew and we had to get this done as quickly as we could. So let's make this unravel on its own, and as you watch it to the end, you're definitely going to want to find out what entailed and what the film is all about. And of course, most importantly, you may want to watch the film itself. So watch to the end and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the post notification button and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Hey! Oscar, we winning a performance and things. Hey, it was crazy.
Chris, I was just.
Oh,
Wasn't bad. I was just near line.
William, I asked you a chance, Anna. Look at Chris Paul entering the vehicle. So, camera pointing towards Casti. Take 1, 3, 2, and action. Thing. Oh, yeah, go.
I was just. Chris, it was an accident. It was a mistake, Chris.
No.
I know I might be sounding crazy,
Because
but Chris.
you are! You just committed my
I know,
See,
Chris.
Paul,
Chris, look at me.
Just stop talking.
Chris, you look at me.
Please.
You know I wouldn't do something like this, Chris.
I don't want to be the bad friend. Please go and report yourself. I beg you, Paul, please.
Chris.
Don't make me do this.
It wasn't on purpose, Chris. Don't do this, man. Chris!
Nanti ebe kra na. What do you mean?
That's one thing.
Nanti ebe no
That's
no.
one thing.
So just take the camera. Yeah, now you need a camera.
Wow.
What's your home? That's beautiful. All right, now over. If I go, mommy.
1, 2, action, fight. That's beautiful. Tia,
All right, so 3, 2, 1, action.
It's around! Yay!
That blood drips.
You like it?
Last part time.